Ready, Ella. We were just going to spend the day at Jeremy's office today because he had some work to do, but the weather was so nice. So we decided to go to a nearby stream instead. Well, it's not exactly nearby. It's kind of up north of Seoul. We've never been there before. So we're just going to spend the early afternoon there. Look at the trees. This is it. Let's go down and look at some fishies, Ria. Step in the water, Tella.
Why? Why should
Why not? Roll up your pants first.
Not even that cold.
Wait, it's gone. Oh, there it is. There are tiny fishies here. Oh, there's so many butterflies and birds here. Ria's chasing butterflies. Woo! Oh, so cute. There are all these lanterns here to celebrate Buddha's birthday, which is coming up.
Whose
In
birthday?
Buddha.
Who's Buddha?
The girls found a couple of sticks, and Ria's is like a
Sword.
wand. Tella's is like a sword.
I can see one.
You can see another one? Okay, go get it. Which one? Ria's got a new stick. It's like a walking stick. Girls. So now we're at a kids cafe. After the stream, we came to a kids cafe near Jeremy's office, and the kids are having a really good time jumping on the trampoline. We had a go at the karaoke, and now they're playing with board games. There aren't a lot of people here, so the kids are having a really good time. Double dip, 'cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'.
Ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin'.
어.
Oh!
Stop anyway. We're gonna have Korean barbecue for dinner.
Tella's daddy's gonna drink Chara beer, which is different from Tella, but in Korean, Tella's name is Tera, so it's actually the same in Korean.
The spelling's the same too.
Well, yours, no. Oh, the Korean spelling is the same.
What's the BBC gonna say?
It's coming.
된장찌개도 시킬까? 공간이 애매하다. 막 40분이네.
You can leave the book.
Almost ready, Tella.
어?
Ria likes to wrap her meat in a leaf and eat it together.
I know what Barbie's favorite food is. Barbecue.
라면 2개요.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Bye.